David here, weekly look. Today is Friday, 10th of August. Video goes out at 15:46. That's 3:45 in the afternoon. So the market is live at the moment. Look at UK November wheat. Got the yearly contract with monthly candles in front of us, and we can see we're trading 194 at the moment. Shy to the left here. See these two previous highs here at 200 and the all-time high at 220. On this chart, lovely trend. Still in place, cross the 60 down here, all the moving average pointing up, big green candles, we're halfway through the month. Resistance probably coming here about 190, we've gone through. Next one is up at 100, 200 and 220 after that. This is on the long term perspective. Let's go straight down into the daily and see what we can see on the daily. On the daily, we can clearly see here that, just take these off at the moment, we've got price action at the moment. We've sort of stalled. We're in this sort of a circle consolidation here at the moment. 190 is the key number at the moment. We're trying to get through that 190. We put a mark on here. 190 is back here. What we've done this week, we've gone sideways. We've gone 3 days up. Yesterday was a reversal day, a red day, the first one we've seen for quite some while, and this is the 15-minute chart on moving mouse over here, and we can see we recovered back to 194. Where do we go next? What are we looking for? So at the moment, obviously, we can see on this chart we've got a high here. Let's get some more focus here. We've got our high here, this big spike up here. This is the end of last week where it hit a high of 198. The move from 12th of July to the 2nd of August was 20%, exactly 20%. If you take this one here, this candle here, as swing low, and you project that up, it comes up to 216. So if we go back to the monthly chart, we can look on here, was 220. So that is our ultimate all-time high, which if the market really exploded, we'd look to go and get. In between that, we've got 200. So where do we see at the moment? We've got a swing high here. We've got to break through to get through that target and go and touch 200. That comes in at 198. Where do we see this all stop or come to null? That's 20% fall technically, and that would be right down, because it even goes off this chart, back down to 160. So you can see that we've got still some upside potential. Yes, we could even have a fall of 10%, and that still wouldn't erode this long-term trend. A 10% fall would bring us back down to 180. So my view at the moment, still the trend is in place. We're marking time at the moment. We're losing a bit of momentum, so that's giving us a warning sign. Nothing technical I can put my hand on and say has changed at the present moment. But if we saw a big fall now down to the monthly close, down to 86, 180, then that would reavert this to the short-term basis. If you were looking to trade in the short term, then possibly looking to take profits or sell grain in the next 2 months, now may be a return moment with this recent high in place here. We've got to break through this before we have this push up. But ultimately, in the long-term picture, I still see a test of 200 coming, but that may take some time now with this momentum eroding at the present moment. We need the market almost like to backfill, to coil up again, to get the momentum to explode again, and that needs to be done at the present moment. So obviously keep an eye on things next week, keep how we break through this 194 and whether we see a final push up to see the 200, break the swing high, or a bit more consolidation. That'd be the key at the present moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll have another date this time next week.